Today, we're going to learn how to use the bulk add feature on the K12 Asset Pro mobile barcode scanner. Bulk add is when you need to add many assets that all have the same details, such as the same model, same description, same cost, same purchase order number, etc. And the only thing that's different between the assets is the asset tag and the serial number. On the home screen, you'll scroll down to find the Add Bulk button. We'll click on Add Bulk. Now we'll see we can add all the information about an asset that we would like to, but it's not asking us for a serial number or an asset tag. We'll be adding that later. Status will always start as active, but of course you can select another type of status if you need to. We'll enter a site. We're going to enter these to the elementary school. We'll enter a location. We'll add all of these assets to room 115. We're going to pretend that we're adding a bunch of laptops today. So I'll put laptop in the asset description. We'll select our model, and we're going to search for Dell here. We're going to say that today we are adding these Dell Latitude E5540, so I'll select that one. We're going to enter a purchase cost. We're going to enter a purchase date. We'll enter a purchase number for these here, and we'll select a funding source. Now we can also select any of the other additional information that we want to add to. Once I've added all the information, it's going to be universal about all these assets that I'm about to do a bulk add for. I'll click the Start Bulk Add button at the bottom. Now we can see it's retained all of this information that I've put here, and it's going to apply this to all of the different assets that I'm about to scan. Now, all we're going to do is we'll start adding an asset tag number and a serial number, and then save. You can't see it here, but on my other screen, I have some sample barcodes here. So I'm going to be scanning a sample asset tag number, then a serial number, and then it will save it for me. It'll let me know it's been successfully saved. I click OK, and now I can add the next one. It will let me know it's been successfully saved, and I can add the next one. And again, we can very quickly repeat this. You can see here how quickly you can add many assets all in a quick amount of time if they have all of the same information other than the add asset tag number or the serial number. This is a great use for adding bulk. An example is when you get a load of 100 new laptops in, and they all came in on the same purchase order and have the same information, and we just need to get them into the system. If you need to change anything, you can hit the back button. All of the same information will be here. But now if we're going to add, let's say some laptops that are going to a different school, we can select high school. We can select the room in the high school they're going to. We can do start bulk add, and now we can start adding a series of items that will be going into the high school. And that is the bulk add feature.